So we're going to look at Shape Builder. Now, Shape Builder is an interesting tool. It can do some things that some of the Pathfinders can do, but it's just kind of another way to do it, so I thought I'd show it to you. So here is your Shape Builder. So I can, let's just look at some of these functions here. A lot of these are probably too complicated for right now, so we're just going to leave them. We'll get into more detail later in the semester. But in essence, what this can do, as you can see as I go over top of this, it's splitting these shapes out. So if you can see I have my color swatches here, right? It's let's bring your swatches up so you can see. So it's showing you 3. So as I use the arrow, you can see my colors are shifting. Now you can say, okay, well, what's the real reason for that? Well, I can kind of click on these, and you can see I can color that. But you can see what it did. It's actually split it where the overlapping shapes are, which is really nice. So it can do that, which is a really handy kind of thing. Let's change these to yellow. And here I've colored these up and split, and I haven't had to really chop up my artwork at all. I'm just kind of coloring with this Shape Builder. What you can also do is combine the shapes. So if I click and drag, you can see that has become one shape. Click and drag, and now I have one shape that's there. Now, this does the same thing, but depends on what you want to do. You might want to do that. What is also really great is, let's select this, and I'm just going to click each little piece that I have here. You can see that I've just clicked everything, and yes, you say, okay, well, what's the difference? It has now divided it into all the parts and pieces. That is amazing. So again, let's just take a look at that. I'm going to create some new shapes here. We're going to use that, and let's use a circle. And let's copy that and do another small circle. Okay. So I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to go to my Shape Builder, and let's say I wanted that to be blue, and that one to be blue. Very easily, I have colored this, and you can see it has chopped it as I color it. Now let's say you wanted all those individual pieces. You didn't necessarily want to color it, you just want the pieces, right? Because you're going to do something else with them. Let's go back and do Shape Builder, click, 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 click. And now you have everything as an individual piece. Ta-da! Really cool, really functional, really allows you to do lots of potentially complicated things. What's nice about this is, let's get another color, right? And now I'm going to do Object, Arrange, Send to Back, and you can see there's a hole punched in it. Okay, so that's using the Shape Builder. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to look at is, stay tuned. It's kind of reshaping kind of straight lines into something that's really quite dynamic.